Well, as all good stories start. Just come in here, yeah, a couple days ago. We'll go with that. There's a, I can hardly read the name, a gehl 7200 flail chopper with a bent flail drum. Was going to get right on that, and then, yeah, I didn't. But it needs to get out of here. I got more crap to work on. It's taking up a valuable space. It shouldn't take too long to work on if I force myself to it. Got quite the task to get to it, so I don't think I have enough video space to video all that. We'll see how it goes. Alright, after spreading the mess out throughout the shop and other places here on the farm, like salt and fries, just distribute it other places. There it is, the gehl 7200 flail chopper. And hey, all that needs to happen is everything on this end removed, all that stuff, so I can get the flail drum out, and I'll have to take off that pulley, and then that'll all come out, because I believe that that flail drum is bent. Is bent. It'll vibrate so bad it'll pull the hitch or vibrate the hitch pin right out if you don't have a keeper on the bottom of it. I've had it happen. I didn't video any of that, but that's what happened. If you look, oh, the camera shows up. There's wear. That's all folded over from wear, and that was a brand new bearing when I bought it. I didn't look at any of that stuff. I bought it at a consignment auction. It was cheap, had my name all over it, but yeah, this should only take yeah, in my mind, a couple hours. Realistically, probably a week, maybe a month. We'll see. Alright, progress so far. I don't know, it's been 2, 3, 4, hell, it's been a while. But the flail drum's out. Got the end all removed, and I know what you're thinking. Where on earth are you going to get parts for that for a company that don't make agricultural stuff anymore? They only make construction equipment. Well, don't worry. Yeah, it's been that long. There's that stuff now. And the fan in the background because the furnace is going. But anywho, I bought another one. This one was, well, yeah, little weight reduction here and there, and hood, and it wasn't in bad shape. I think the blower, I don't know. I don't remember. At any rate, I brought it home, and it didn't run nice and smooth. So I tore out the flail drum a while ago, and waiting to put it in. So we'll see how long this takes. And I brought this in here because I noticed, rooting through the junk pile, that the flights on this auger were a lot better. So might as well snag that auger out of there and put it in that one, and that one should be good.